Saganda uyale masho manene. Dat anyikata sakata. Nika yose irungota rowa chinja chete.
This is an era of upsets, right? Donald Trump beating Hillary Clinton, Brexit in the UK. You defeating Emerson and Mnangagwa, that would be an electoral upset on that kind of scale. Can you really see yourself pulling that off?
Of course, I'm ready for it. I mean, I'm more than ready. I feel the energy. I'm not here for kisses and hugs. I'm here for a fight. We are ready for any consequence until we have a free and fair election in Zimbabwe.
Change is coming, and change is coming. It cannot be denied.
Those who believe in change,
Today is a day of mourning. Mourning over democracy. It is a black day. These guys are making Mugabe look like a saint.
These are all shots. Blanks.
Oma, we're at war. We're dealing with criminals.
Hey, let's go. Sir, this is a democracy.
Well, this is a coup.
It's a coup. Yeah, it's a coup.
This is a coup.
The results that have been announced have not been verified by us.
An assassination attempt was made only last week. Chamisa has survived so many assassination attempts.
Mr. Chamisa, you are the hope for Zimbabwe. Please do not take that hope away from us.